Hello, did you order a Lyft?
Yeah.
Hi, how's it going? How's your day going?
Good. How's yours?
Good, good. Come on in. There's a lot of cars here, so just...
I
Sorry.
think there's a soccer game.
Yeah, oh yeah. Yeah, I think your door... You shut your door all the way? Oh, there you go. Yeah, it's kind of hard.
Sorry.
No, you're good.
Can I ask, like, my card and Cash App, like, they're not, like, linking and working right now?
Oh, that's annoying.
Yeah, it really is. So I was wondering if I could give you cash.
It pays for the app, so you don't have to do that.
No, like, instead of, like, paying through the app, because that's not working really in particularly either, can I pay with cash?
I don't really do cash for the ride.
I'm sure I could give it to you, like, right now.
No,
then, like,
yeah, it's like not really allowed because like insurance and stuff.
Okay,
like it's
what
like
if I up the price? Because I just got paid. Like, come on, you think I'm broke, girl? Like, I'm broke.
What do you do for work?
I'm a model.
Oh god, I heard models get paid so well. I mean, I don't know.
Here, look. Like, how much you want? Like, 1, 2, 3. Like,
What is that?
Like some cash. What do you mean? Here, look.
Okay, well, please, you cannot tell
200
Uber.
for the ride.
Don't tell Uber.
Why would I tell anyone?
You promise you won't tell Uber?
Like, I'm not gonna tell no one.
Okay, please, because I could literally get fired over this.
Here, I'll give you 3, just for reassurance. Some bands will make
you
you
give me
dance.
$300?
Some bands will make you dance.
Oh my gosh. Okay,
Yeah,
low key, like,
hurry.
this is more than I'll make this whole week. Like, Uber pays so low right now.
Oh, I'm so sorry, baby. Like, that sucks.
But it's okay. I mean, I just gotta drive more, you know? Yeah, because literally my dog, like, she's in the hospital right now, so I'm just driving to pay her bill, so literally I can take her home. Because they won't let me pick her up without, like, paying, you know?
Oh, that's terrible.
Yeah,
I'm so sorry.
so I'm, and then I try to apply for, like, the pay thing, but, like, I don't have credit, so. But yeah, so I'm just driving, like, 12 hours a day so I can pay to get her out. Because, yeah, it was, like, $1,400, but.
$1,400?
Yeah.
Here, babe.
Hey, wait.
For the dog.
Wait.
What do you mean? Wait.
This fake.
That's not fake.
You're literally handing me fake money. This is like prop money.
That's not prop money.
Are you trying to scam me for a free? You're trying to scam me.
I'm not scamming you.
This is not real. It literally says for motion picture purposes.
No.
In props we trust. This is a joke. Get out of my car. Get out of my car. Get out. Hurry up.
It's not fake.
Get out of my car. Take your fake money and leave.
This is not fake money.
Yes, it is. It's not even real.
Okay, well,
Get out. Thank
this
you.
is ridiculous. You're a fucking dumb.
Scammer. You're a scammer.
You're dumb.